Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add before and after text on WooCommerce product price. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can head over to this link right here, which is actually this website that you can see right now, and then head over and then get this particular plugin. As you can see, I've already checked it out, and I can actually see in here the download option. So just head over and download it, and then as you can see, it will be added right here. Once you have done that, let's head over right here to our WooCommerce. Here's my WooCommerce, so scroll down until you can see the option right here for plugins. Click on this Add New Plugin right here. Once you have done that, you can see the plugin marketplace or also the upload option. So from in here, just head over and click on this Upload plugin. Now in here on the Upload plugin, you can actually select the file. So click on this Choose File right here. So let's head over and choose this. And then let's head over to our downloads. We have in here this LX product price custom text before and after text. Click on open. Then click on this install now. And then it will install this particular plugin. So just wait until the installation process is done. Head over and click on this activate plugin in order to activate it. Once you have actually installed that, you can see in here this custom text and discount. Head over and click on this. It has the icon of Alex right here, so you should be able to notice it usually. So once you have clicked on that, you can see this right here. You can use custom text and discount. So let's click on this enable right here. And then you can show custom text on your shop page, product page, also your cart page, and checkout page. Just choose which ones you want. Now you can add in here prefix. Like for example, let's add in here pretty. So this is just a random word that I have added. And then you can put in here discount percentage you want to use as well. Or if you just want to add before and after text, just click on this still discount. Then from there, click on the save changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.